katika nchi yetu. Watu wapatao zaidi ya 50 ambao walipoteza maisha yao, na walikuwa ni vijana wadogo, wengine walikuwa ni vijana wa shule. Kwa hivyo dakika moja waheshimu tafadhali. Asanteni, tuketi. Officials present, the technical committee for this event, various teams, officials and teachers, the participants and all students. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Good morning. Allow me, School Sports Association National Championship. I take this opportunity to officially and warmly welcome the participants and the teams from all over Kenya to the land of Matoke and Soapstone. I wish to thank the Kenya Secondary Sports Association, KSSAA leadership and the Ministry of Education for considering Kisii as the host of this important event, which goes a long way to promote economic development and national integration and the cohesion in the country. For sure, we were disturbed, Chairman, when we were told that this event has been moved from here to some areas. Therefore, make frantic efforts to reach out to a number of you, and I was assured it will take place here. Thank you. Thank you so much. When I was the possible involvement of the county government of Kisii in hosting this event, I gladly accepted, despite that the fact the Kisii site was already closed for renovation. Consequently, I have had to push the contractor to move with speed and have the pitch ready within the shortest time possible due to the seriousness for the sports activity and engagement of this nature. As you are aware, this stadium is also the home of Shabana FC, our community football club in Kenya Premier League. As the patron, I am happy to report that the stadium is now in shape for their home matches. Ladies and gentlemen, as I noted earlier, the importance of these school games cannot be gainsaid. This games provides an opportunity for the students to showcase their talents and the skills, providing an avenue for clubs and other sports entities locally and internationally for score of them. In this regard, I urge the participants today to do their best, knowing that this can be a turning point for their lives in terms of professionalism and the prospects. Indeed, some of our legends in Kenya soccer history like Andrew Botico, Michael Kotiano, Oyuri, and many others were identified to join the reputable club during this event like these ones. Comparatively, in the wake of CBC curriculum, sports and extracurricular activities are now deeply entrenched in the line of career development in schools. This provides an opportunity for students to turn sports into a career. On our part, as a a county government, we are building more sports facilities and stadiums to help these sports. Equally, in our next phase of revamping the Gusii Stadium, we are introducing, it's important to note here, we are introducing the provision for indoor activities including gym, swimming pool, tennis courts, among others. We will be laying a tartan track for athletics in due course to make the stadium a one-stop sport complex. This is a bid to promote the sports activity and the physical well-being of our people in the county. There was a tartan track here which was worn out, but I can tell you, God willing, in another 2 to 3 months, as my deputy has just indicated, we will get a new field. I want to thank again Athletics Kenya for them to have accepted to host the national athletics in Gusii Stadium. As the regular goes, all work without play makes Jack a down lower. So besides the games being a lead from the vigor of routine, they help regain the physical and the psychological, therefore helping them steer away from drug abuse and vice leading to crime and teenage pregnancy. Ladies and gentlemen, I take this opportunity to caution the students against partaking in addictive and destructive activities such as gambling, machine, playing cards, alcoholism, smoking, banging, and instead embrace constructive engagement like these ones. As a county, we are fully recognized or in cognizance of our learning institutions and schools for immense contribution you make towards the development of sports, which is also a development function or development function. Soon, we are starting the Governor's Camp here in Kisii, and we will be working closely with our learning institutions to make it a success, especially in the areas of talent search and development. For our teachers, I want to make a request for all schools, Walimu, Kisii School, Kado Tunda, Yamulugu, and all other schools that will be using your field for the Governor's Camp for talent search. That opportunity to have it. As you are aware, the sports sector today contributes a great deal to the country's socio-economic growth. This is why we are laying emphasis on promotion and of sports among our children and the youth from early age to enable them to develop into professional sportsmen and women. I call upon the parents, teachers and guardians to hold the hands of the young ones and encourage them to engage in sports as a means to employment in the future. It's for this reason that we welcome this event to Kisii County and have personal come here to encourage our children to work hard both in academic and curriculum activities. For the students who are here, the teachers, we were concentrating yesterday with the leadership that what could we do today in the morning? Could we give every student here sugarcane and banana? But we thought this place will be heated with all manner of everything. Therefore, I want to promise to the students, the 2,000 of you, when we will leave here on Thursday, each and every one of you, you will carry home gifts from Kisii. Kwa hivyo wakati mtaondoka hapa, kila mtu utakuwa umebeba miwa kutoka Kisii, ndizi, vitu leo tunaenda kununuliwa, na hao wanafunzi watabeba miwa ya kutosha. Wale ambao kama kuna gari za kutosha watabeba mpaka sifike Notisa. Kule kwa ndugu zetu wa Notisa, sifike Kisumu, sifike Ukambani, ziende Rift Valley, Mombasa na hata sehemu zingine za huku Nyanza. Kwa hivyo siku hiyo wale wanafunzi ambao wako Kisii School, magari yatakuja hapo, kila mwanafunzi atapata zawadi ya kuingia hapa Kisii. Pale Nyahururu wanafunzi wasichana watapata zawadi, kule kando tutafanya hivyo hivyo, na walimu na nini tutapea nyinyi ndizi kubwa tu ndiposa mfike nayo nyumbani. Lazima mjue kwamba mmefika Kisii na mtafurahia. Nataka nishukuru kwa sababu wanabiashara leo mpaka wiki ishe watakuwa wametengeneza pesa. Asanteni sana, asanteni sana. Allow me to make this last statement. Vivian Dele once said, success is not an accident, it's a hard work. Perseverance, learning, serving, sacrifice, and most of all, love what you are doing or learning. I want to assure you that I would want to see the best team win. Mimi leo nataka tujiangalie timu ambayo ni nzuri ikishinda, na mimi nitapeana zawadi yangu kwa ile timu ambayo itashinda kama gavana. Walimu, official, nataka niwashukuru siku nyingine tena. Hawaishi kwamba next year tutakuwa tumebadilisha kila jambo. You will be happy. Tutahakikisha, sitaki kuomba, sio hii, sio omba. Sio omba. Nataka nishukuru niseme kwamba leo Mungu awabariki utakapoanza mchezo hii na wanafunzi mjienjoy. Wale ambao nikubalie nifanye kitu kimoja, wale ambao wanatembea zile mbio zote, our reward those ones who will be making sure kwamba our facilities they are clean for the usage of these young stars. Kwa hivyo tafadhali mtu yote anahusika hakikisha kwamba ziko safi, zitumike, kwa sababu hiyo tunachukulia kama Wakisii. Asanteni na Mungu awabariki.
Mbali kidogo, media isonge nyuma kidogo, kwa heshima kuu.
Asante sana na kiangalia sasa ndio hiyo ball.
Second assistant is a FIFA international from Western Province, Adam. Yeah. The fourth official is a Abraham from Northeastern. Yes, Northeastern. All these are premier referees. Okay, we have to go. This is a team from Central. Okay, introduce the club.
Hey, Governor Sasa.
All the young guys.
Songa tu hivi kwanza.
Tunamaliza hivi.
vijana ambao wanawakilisha wanabeba bendera ya Nyanza kutumia jina mkoa wa Nyanza, ambapo vijana wanacheza leo na vijana kutoka mkoa wa Central. Kwa hivyo Mungu alishaandika nani mshindi. Vilevile pia hata mimi natoka Nyanza, mimi natokea wote ushindi, lakini naomba sasa wengine kusogea kwa kabisa. Wengine walipacha tusogee kwa ya Edi.
These games, this way, there was nothing. Wakati kulikuwa na sintofahamu na games ikasemekana ilifanyika hapa, nilipigiwa simu kuangalia, nikasikia hizi Simba Arati na Hawisa alikuwa anafuatilia kuhakikisha that Kisii is ready for the game. Bwana Gavana, Kisii is ready. We have a team from Central. Kilangari mtashinda hii match? Are you going to see him? Mtashinda? Hawa nao ni watoto wa nyumbani. Mtashinda hii match? Mtashinda? Haya, wacha we invite our chairman to call Bwana Gavana.
Now, thank you so much, ST. I think our Excellency the Governor wants to open in style. He wants to open the gates here and wish you well.
For the two teams, one from Central, one from Nyanza, one to wish you well. May the best teams win. And now, officially I want to say, or to declare this event open. Kwa hivyo yule ambaye atashinda hapa kuna zawadi. Piga mpira, usipige mguu wa mtu tafadhali. Ni sawa, cheza tuone. Shabana nangojea nyinyi. Shabana mtaona ikishinda league hapo mbeleni. Hata Gor Mahia nangojea wengine nyinyi. Lakini hapa kwa hiyo uwanja nataka the best talented young boys to be in another level. Kwa hivyo nawatakia kila heri, tuanze mpira na Mungu awabariki.